going on, guys? It's been a hot minute since I've been behind the camera. You guys are probably wondering where I've been, what's been going on, and why I'm randomly in Tanner's truck with Tanner, and you guys haven't seen Tanner in forever. We are actually heading down to Daytona. If you guys hadn't guessed that already by the title of this video, we're gonna head down there and hang out with a bunch of people, film some cool things, and bring you guys some truck content because I haven't brought anything to the channel in the past couple weeks because I've been super busy. I'll talk about that stuff like in a couple videos because I have a ton of parts for my 240, but that's not what I want to talk about in this video. Everything is going to be truck related, a bunch of Cummins, a bunch of lifted trucks, a bunch of American Forces, Special Forge, the whole 9 yards, everything that you guys like to see. So if you guys want to say hi to Tanner over there, he's just cruised. I don't know if you guys remember him. He's upgraded, if you guys haven't noticed. You guys probably seen it if you follow along on the channel. He did a burnout in one of the older videos of this thing, so yeah. Was it a year ago? Yeah, almost a year ago, when I moved back to Florida. So yeah, that is that, guys. We are still in Jacksonville right now. We're running some errands and then we're gonna be heading that way. And of course I didn't charge my other camera. I charged my GoPro, both of the batteries, my gimbal battery, and I brought everything. So it might be just like kind of all over the place between this camera and the other one. So we'll see when we get there. What is up, guys? We have made it to Daytona. We are going to get checked into our hotel room here behind us, and then we will begin with the adventure. There are so many trucks here, there are so many people here. It's going to be an awesome video. Are you excited?
Awesome. Oh yeah.
You seem so thrilled.
Third year in a row, man.
Oh gosh, we got a veteran here on our hands.
Well, my stock truck though.
That's all right. She looks good though. A lot of people online would say this isn't stock.
I know. People actually like it though. I get a lot of compliments on it.
I like it.
I need stance up. Stance. Oh, damn it.
It is a madhouse in here.
I'm trying to get Chris to tell him. They're about to run y'all out. What's going on?
Same shit, different day, bro. I missed you.
Oh, yeah.
What up?
You see it?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
eBay. It was on sale.
For a really good price?
Yeah. I just couldn't pass it up.
Well, the cops are trying to chase us out of here, so I don't know what exactly is going on, but we're just kind of hanging out, chilling, and checking out all the trucks. All the way down there.
Right by Wing House.
as you guys can see, we are here at Daytona. We are live inside of the actual meet going on here. And I get to see White Diamond 24 valve. What up, dog? If you're watching, is your truck unlocked?
There we go. We got some meetings going.
Who is this guy?
On this right now?
Who is this
I should've
guy?
been recording
What's going on?
Not shit.
Nice to meet you finally. So here's Chase, aka White Diamond 24 valve. As I showed you guys the truck, we are here hanging out. Here's your charger. Don't take off to Minnesota without it.
Why not?
Because I kind of need
I'll
it.
ship you a bag with some stickers.
Here you go, bud.
Look at that pile of shit.
All the way down from Minnesota.
Hey, you're going on a famous YouTube page.
What up, cool guy?